Telegram secret chats, Signal disappearing messages, WhatsApp end-to-end encryption. They think their conversations are invisible. They think no one can ever read them. They're wrong. In 2026, I recover invisible app data and expose every secret conversation they thought was safe. Cheating partners love encrypted apps. Telegram, Signal, WhatsApp. They think encryption protects them. Disappearing messages erase everything. Secret chats leave no trace. But here's the truth. In 2026, I recover invisible app data from encrypted databases. I decrypt secret chats. I restore disappearing messages. I expose every conversation they thought was safe. I don't need their phone unlocked or the passcode. If I get access, physical or remote, it's game over. Encrypted databases, hidden caches, system logs, backups, all of it. If you need to expose secret encrypted conversations, you know how to reach me. Email's in the description. So why don't encrypted apps protect cheaters? Encryption makes folks overconfident. They think end-to-end encryption means no one can read their messages, that disappearing messages erase evidence forever, that secret chats leave no trace on the device. But the reality is, those encryption keys, they're right there on the device. Disappearing messages leave fragments in databases and caches. Secret chats exist in memory and storage while active. If I control the device, I control the data. Telegram secret chats? Stored in a database, encrypted but not impenetrable. The keys come from the user's number, device ID, and a hard-coded salt. I pull the database, run a decryption script, and every secret chat is readable. Signal? Most people pick weak passphrases. I brute force the key or dump memory if the app's running. Disappearing messages? I recover them from memory and caches. WhatsApp? Same deal. End-to-end encryption in transit, but the database and key are on the device. I decrypt and recover every deleted message, every plan they thought was gone. On iPhone, I grab iCloud backups, often weakly protected. Disappearing messages? Fragments linger in cache files, memory, even notification logs. I extract everything, search for keywords, and piece together the truth. Want to actually secure your chats? Use a strong passphrase. Disable cloud backups. Turn off notification previews. Assume any device you don't control is compromised. Cheaters trust encrypted apps, but their secrets? Never truly safe. If you need invisible data recovered, you know where to find me. Email techcontinental5@gmail.com.